Hi there, I'm Cletus, and here is my short wheelbase Series 3 Land Rover. This is a typical Solihull canvas top edition that was imported into Trinidad as a completely knocked down kit and assembled locally around 1987. I purchased the vehicle in April 2022 and restoration efforts began 1 month later. The original color scheme coming out of the assembly plant locally was olive green and white. I chose to finish the restored vehicle in my rendition of marine blue with white rims and top. At this point, and without further ado, I think I should just let the images speak for themselves. Enjoy the build. Here's a quick look inside my CNC machine shop as I make a few bits and bobs for the project. Of course, I'm having a field day on Amazon and eBay purchasing accessories for the machine. Although the vehicle runs pretty darn well at this point, I've opted to truck it for the 2-hour journey to my guys in Rio Claro, who will be doing the chassis work and body work. And thus begins the restoration process in earnest. Realizing early on that this is a vehicle that I would want to keep, I've opted for a full restoration. So we are stripping down to the chassis and rebuilding from the ground up. At last, we are beginning to see some long-awaited and much anticipated, my favorite color, blue. This color was specifically concocted by the Max Meyer dealership for this project. I now have pleasure in presenting the restoration team. Thanks, guys.